Green tea weight loss is one of the newest methods being sought out by overweight individuals. While there is no substitute for eating right and exercise, natural green tea capsules can help you achieve the results you are after in terms of your goal weight. The association between green tea pills and losing weight was discovered fairly recently. And since then, there have been numerous studies established in order to thoroughly understand the link between green tea pills and weight loss. And it has been found that green tea can really help you to get rid of those extra pounds. Before you can fully appreciate the benefits of green tea weight loss, you need to understand the problems associated with other weight loss aids. While other slimming aids contain chemicals that can add to a list of negative side effects, green tea is natural. Also, many other weight loss pills contain stimulants which could be harmful to the heart. Green tea extract is not harmful to the heart in any way. In fact, it is good for the heart. Finally, many other supplements or capsules suppress your craving for food so that you feel full even if you have eaten very little. This satisfied feeling lasts for a long time. That may seem good, but in reality it can backfire. If you don't feel the need to eat or snack on healthy items, your body is not getting all of the nutrients that it requires, and this is not the right way to go about shedding pounds. Another caution has to do with exercise. While it is a good idea to keep on a consistent schedule of consistent activity, rigorous exercise is something that most people dread. It takes up too much time and too much energy, and it can also be damaging if you jump into it too quickly. It is the above concerns that have made people curious about the green tea alternative. Green tea pills contain the precious green tea extract, whose main function is to increase your metabolism rate. This is what actually causes a faster burning up of extra fat and can get you quicker results. Green tea is also a great option because not only can it help you lose weight, but it also protects your digestive and respiratory systems, works against diabetes, and reduces cholesterol. While you are taking green tea extract, you can go ahead and eat 3 balanced meals and 2 snacks each day, guaranteeing that you are receiving all of the nutrients your body needs. Also, instead of heavy, tiring and time-consuming exercise, you can do lighter activities, like walking, that fit into your schedule and mindset a little better. This type of exercise combines perfectly with green tea weight loss, as the extract is already doing the calorie burning for you. Whatever fitted yesterday, may not fit you today. That is a simple problem that many people face in our modern world, causing them to turn to weight loss plans. We all take a different approach to weight loss. The article below will discuss some of them and provide you with some useful tips on your endeavor. Make small changes to your meals for big results. Have your sandwich in a mini pita pocket instead of 2 slices of bread. Use 2% milk instead of regular for your coffee or cereal. Avoid the ice cream and keep fruit in the house for dessert. These are all small ways to cut calories without changing your life around. A great weight loss tip is to pack your lunch. No matter how carefully you make your selections, food choices at restaurants are always going to be higher in fat, calories, carbs and sodium than what you can make yourself. You can still treat yourself to a lunch out on occasion, but make a habit of taking your lunch with you most days. One of the handiest tips gained from many decades of dieting is to drink an entire glass of tomato or V8 juice with 2 heaping tablespoons of bran stirred into it. You can also use psyllium seed husks. The reason for this is to give your stomach something to satisfy the need for bulk right away in the morning, and because it's low calorie and high fiber, that breakfast drink will get things moving later in the day without adding much to your daily caloric intake. Hypnotizing yourself may aid your weight loss goals. It sounds crazy, but hypnosis has been shown to change lives. Keep a food journal while on your weight loss journey. Writing down what you eat and when will help you to see if there is a pattern and how you can modify it to better help with weight loss. The journal will also hold you accountable as to what you are putting in your body. Do not go to the grocery store on an empty stomach. Your hunger will magnify your desire for junk food, and you risk buying unhealthy snacks that will make you gain weight. When you are not hungry, you have more mental control over what groceries you should buy that is appropriate for your diet. When selecting produce for good nutrition, choose items that are grown locally, organically, and without genetic modification. These items are more natural and are most likely to give your body what it needs. As well as being better for you, they are better for the earth and the environment. To help stay on a diet without becoming discouraged, it is actually best if you do not weigh yourself often. The human body will adapt to any diet you are on, and your results will ultimately slow down. Seeing this plateau via the scales may discourage you, so weigh yourself only every 2 weeks instead of multiple times per week. Weight loss isn't good for just you, it's good for your whole family. Begin making subtle changes now, without announcing them, and your family will be better able to manage their weight too. Examples of this would be buying reduced-fat cream cheese, peanut butter, low-fat or non-fat cottage cheese, moving gradually to lower-fat or fat-free milk, and even reduced-fat cheeses, which can be quite flavorful. Fit into your clothes by sticking to a proper weight loss plan. You can take a do-it-yourself approach by simply following some of the tips in this article. If you strive to use the tips, you will likely see yourself losing some weight within the first few weeks. Losing those pounds takes time, but it also builds your self-confidence.